Hi and welcome back to the channel. I'm Molt Money. Here we talk about financial news in the financial markets. So if you like talking about money and you want to know how to make it in these markets, please go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell below, and let's get started. I want to talk about XLM. I want to talk about Stellar Lumen's price, where it's at, where it's potentially going, and how far we've come. But I also want to put out some big news that has came out today about the Stellar Development Foundation. First, if we look at the day, today we are up 6.49% on some news that just came out. Now we're sitting at 30 cents, right? And a lot of people have been talking about this price sitting flat, even retracing a little bit. But I want to point something out and bring to mind that had you have bought this time last year, you would have nearly doubled your money, as we still are up 98%. Now, I know in terms of looking at the market and the prices, you know, there are obviously a lot of cryptos out there that have made a 10x, 20x, even more this year. And Stellar wasn't one of those. But I've mentioned this before and I'll mention it again. Stellar is not flashy. They are not all over the place marketing their name. What they're doing is being behind the scenes, making real partnerships, doing big things with corporations, countries, and governments, and working with regulators that make the decisions for you and I. So what they are doing and what they will unravel in the future will be revolutionary, as they do have the best technology. They're fast, efficient, and they're the best in the business at what they do, in my personal opinion. Now, I want to come over to Twitter. Danielle Dixon put out a statement today as she was on the committee when she was on this cryptocurrency. She came out and said, too often mainstream conversations still focus on the promise of blockchain and crypto. Today, I sought to shift the narrative to the value it's already providing today to many individuals and businesses previously excluded from the global financial system. She went on to say, use cases I highlighted would simply not be possible without the innovation of blockchain and tokenized assets like stablecoins. Financial inclusion is a right, not a privilege, and stablecoins are a key building block. For any skeptics out there, I hope today helps show that the crypto should rightly move past a buzzword thrown around to incite fear of the unknown. I urge those listening to look past the narrow lens of applications like lending, trading that dominate the news. Finally, she says, I want to thank Chairman Maxine Waters, Ranking Member Patrick McHenry, and the committee again for the opportunity to testify. We need more of this dialogue to help realize the full benefits of blockchain technology. Our door is always open. Just looking at the names that she has put out here, that she's working with, who she's testifying for, she's essentially going to bat for the entire cryptocurrency market. And they don't just choose anyone when they do these testimonies. They chose Danielle Dixon out of all the CEOs, and say, look, blockchain technology is the future. It's going to revolutionize the world. This is a revolution that we are in right now. And quite frankly, Stellar dominates at what they do. It's Stellar and Ripple, and that's it as far as the big banking coins. So when we look at this price and we say, yes, we're at 30 cents, whoop-de-doo, right? I mean, again, we've doubled our money this year, but where this is going, many people believe $100 a coin in time. I am of those who do believe this. I think it's inevitable. I think it's a matter of time. And honestly, it may be here sooner than we think, as a week in cryptocurrency is like a year in the stock market. In a sense that we are moving rapidly, the technology is here, and this gets it done even more. Thank you, Danielle Dixon, for what you're doing for us. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. That's all I got for you today. Enjoy the rest of yours, and I will see you in the next video.